Welcome to this SpEd Forms tutorial for principals. In this short guide, I'm going to walk you through logging in and setting up key preferences to streamline your experience. Let's get started. First, let's open your preferred browser and navigate to the SpEd Forms login page. The URL is unique to the co-op, so make sure that you're using the one provided. You're going to enter your username and password and then click Login. Once you're logged in, you'll land on a default landing page. I'll show you how to change this landing page shortly, but for now, let's go over some key settings that you're going to want to adjust. To customize your experience, go to the upper right-hand corner and use the drop-down label Go To. You will then select Educator Setup. On this page, you will click Profile, which will take you to where you can edit your contact information and settings. You can update the contact information here, which is used by SpEd Forms to autofill certain fields. Next, let's look at some of the settings you may want to consider. Autosave can be turned on and off here. Another setting you might want to look at is the Keep Hamburger menu open. The hamburger menu is the three horizontal lines that you can find in the upper left-hand corner. When the hamburger menu is closed, the left side navigation menu collapses to only show icons. This can be helpful on smaller screens by allowing the main window to be larger, but if you don't use SpEd Forms very often, it can be very difficult to navigate by icons alone. The last setting that you'll want to look at is the default landing page. I suggest choosing either the admin student page, which serves as a quick way to search for students and caseloads, or the admin overview, which gives you a quick access to building reports like active students, evaluations and IEPs that are due or overdue, and some common quick reports. That's it for this tutorial. You're now set up to navigate SpEd Forms effectively. For additional support, contact your special education coordinator, and thanks for watching.